Hey guys, I'm Keith, and this is my cooking show!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
And today, we are going to make a gourmet meal in the microwave. Yeah. So stay tuned, and it's gonna be fun. Okay guys, you will need about 3 bags. It can be frozen, it can be a sandwich bag. You can buy the special bags if you want to for the microwave. Just whatever you want to do is fine. Okay, take your potato and chop it up nicely like this. That, and then take your bag, stick it into here, pull them right up. Zip it up, take your fork, put a few holes in it, then get your vegetables, chop them up a little bit. Get you another bag, put that inside there. Do the same thing, zip it up, put some holes in it. There we go. Then take your fish. It can be thawed, do whatever you want is fine. Take you some frozen fish. Put it in the bag. Put you some holes in it. Toss this away. And you are ready to put this in the microwave. Okay, for you guys that don't know, don't put metal cooking stuff, pans, pots, cake pans, in the microwave. It will blow up. Yeah. When you have your vegetables ready and your potatoes cut up and ready to go and your fish in the bag, take all this Put it in here. Give it about 5 minutes to start. And now your vegetables, if they're frozen, give them about 3 to 4 minutes. With potatoes, give them maybe 4 to 5. And then your fish, give it a good 5 to 6 minutes. Now, sometimes when you put everything in the microwave, it doesn't get done at the same time. So you might need to take a few things out and put a few things in. I mean, keep a few things in. And that's really about it. Yeah, when cooking dinner, you can cook eggs, you can cook anything you want. You just have to figure out a way of doing it. You can put it in bags. You can put it in special microwavable containers. This is actually a good way to, like if you're going on vacation and you want to stay on the good diet, and you know you can just microwave your food. Now you can go to a lot of the supermarkets now and buy like just single foods, like a single piece of fish, single serving of vegetables, and just anything that you really want. Okay, and when it's done, take it out. And when your vegetables are pretty soft, they're pretty much done. And yeah, them's pretty tender, so it's all good. Then your fish, as long as it is completely cooked through, there's no pink, you are good to go. Okay? And it is raining and thundering, but the show must go on. Alright. Alright, take it out of the plate, out of the bag. Put it on that like so. Take your potato, put it right here. It keeps thundering. Take your fish, take it out. Red hot. Let the fish kind of cool down just for a minute, and then take you some seasoning salt. Wait, bam. Take you some seasoning salt. Smother it on the potatoes. Put a little bit on the vegetables. And then take your fish and put it on the plate. The fish wants to fall apart. You know when the fish is done when it's flaky. Yes. Fish is flaky and done. some of your favorite seasoning on your fish. Whatever you like. If you just like salt and pepper, you put that on there. And you have dinner ready to go. Yeah. Don't worry about your fish, because when you steam fish, it'll just kind of start to fall apart. That means that it's done, guys. Seriously, it is good. As long as there's no pink in it, you are in good shape. And thank you guys for watching my show. And please like and subscribe to my channel, Keith Messer's Books. And you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, just about everywhere. So thank you guys, and please like and subscribe. See ya.